Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna do the dot pattern and the checkerboard pattern. Doing the checkerboard pattern, first turn the middle layer twice and also the middle layer but in this side also twice, and do it now here also twice, and you get the checkerboard pattern. And it's like this. Solving the checkerboard pattern, turn this layer twice but backwards, and here also twice, and the middle layer also twice. For doing the dot pattern, turn the middle layer twice like the checkerboard pattern, but instead of turning this layer twice, turn it once, and it needs to be next to this side, and turn this side twice and this layer twice, and you can see you can keep this slot here, and it's like this. And also you can do it in all the sides, but I'll not but I but we will say that in another video. So this is how it is like. So for solving it, it is the same thing but backwards. Turn this layer twice, turn this layer once like this, and turn this layer twice. Keep it here and go up. And also sometimes we will, when we do it, we need to do it twice or more than twice like that. So finish. We had enjoyed to make the dot pattern and the checkerboard pattern, and bye bye.